Select Reports, then select Sales Reports. The list of sales reports will expand. Select a report and use the options such as Start and End Date to give a more precise look at the data. Daily Performance displays sales for each day within the selected date range. The graph provides an overview of the best performing days. The analytics below provide greater details such as taxes, sales, and ticket average for each day. Monthly Sales Reports provides a breakdown of sales by each month, including product sales, service sales, discounts, subtotals, taxes, and tips. Product Sales Report displays the product sales by SKU or product number, user that entered the sale, or salesperson that was assigned. Additionally, you can view product sales by vendor, category, and tags. This report provides a snapshot of each item's profit and margin percentage. Sales by Customer displays each customer and their purchase during a selected time period. Each customer's sales can be reviewed to analyze the individual tickets. This provides additional details, such as the last time a customer was at the place of business. Tax Report provides a breakdown of taxes charged to customers during the selected time period. First, taxes are summarized by tax category. Below this, product purchase totals are separated into taxed items and non-taxed items. Taxed item sales are the total amount prior to the application of tax.